Today, as a part of Tech Talk, I would like to discuss on the topic differential cryptanalysis. My name is Thakur Karan Singh. I am IT fourth year. Differential cryptanalysis takes inputs with known difference using XOR operation predicts XOR of the corresponding output based on structure of cipher. When input pair output pair are found that have predicted differences, assume internal states follows predictions also. Work backwards to find subkeys that would produce observed pairs. Each gets a vote. Most popular subkeys collected. Bits that agree amongst subkeys are known. A function f is linear if f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. A cipher is linear if given any two inputs p1 and p2 and their corresponding output c1 and c2, we have c1 XOR c2 is equal to p1 XOR p2. One time pad is linear. E p1 plus p2 is equal to E p1 plus E p2. DES is not linear. Non-linearity and effect of subkey on output suggests that information about the subkey can be discovered by examining the relationship between input deltas and output deltas. Invented by Schaeffer 1996 as a tool. Simple Des operates on 8-bit blocks, uses 10-bit key, has 2 rounds. Rest is similar to deltas, IP, EP, S boxes, P box, facial structure, subkey generation. IP 128 is equals to gives IP negation 1 is equals to 41357286. EP 1234 gives 41232341. 8 bits subkey XOR with EP output. First 4 bits to S box S0, last 4 to S1. First and last bits to S box pick row 1 of 4. Middle 2 bits pick column. Outputs is 2 bits. P box 1 to 4 gives 2431. Key generation. 10-bit key is first permuted. Permuted combination negation 1 is 1 to 10 characters is 35274 10186. Permuted key split into two 5-bit halves. Each half shifted left 1 bit in first round, shifted twice more for second round. Permuted combination 2 of 10 bits 1 to 10 63748 9 8 bits. Subkeys XOR with subkeys XORed with EP output round. If you observe the combinations here 1 2 3 4 is being rounded and the expansion permutation is being rounded with round subkey and final outputs are being changed using SBox not columns SBox 1 also. Output from round 1 here from first round we get 1 2 and second round we get 3 4. We'll get the final output from the round. This is the SBox delta, SBox not deltas with various values of inputs and outputs. If you observe the output deltas, here input delta 000 is 0016 plus 010 100 110, and they when compared to SBox not deltas 012 gives 002 and to the diagonal format. One it will be searched in the SBox 0 deltas and the comparison being carried out. SDES round 1 input is converted to IP and L0 and R0 and then again to EP. EP is added with K1 and the delta of X is equal to 1. S box 0 and delta of x is equal to 0 gives S box 1. P is equal to 0.5 with delta y is equal to 2 and delta y equals 0 when P is equal to 1.0. Is the output is given to P box and the L0 is added with the P box and the delta U is equal to 1 and P is equal to 0.5 into 1.0 is equals to 0.5. S dash round 2. In similar format, the round 2 also goes through, and at the end there will be L2 is equal to R1 and R2. It is given to IP negation, and finally output is being drawn out. Finding the cipher key. Find round keys from bottom to top, having many pairs for last round. Each pair produces some candidates for input to S boxes. S box input can be produced from several pairs of keys and input to round, but only some of these are consistent. Consistent one suggests subkey candidates. Example, smaller S box. Finding the cipher key, smaller S box is given and delta C is the columns and delta X is rows. We can see the values given out there using the S box. Since delta X depends only on delta P, we do not have to know the key ahead of the time. Get a bunch of inputs with a known delta X, find those whose delta X is the highest probability value. Note that this actually has to be for as many rounds as the cipher uses, but here we will just illustrate with a single round. Delta P is equal to 0, 0, 1. Then delta C is equals to 1, 1 with P is equal to 0.5. Try some known plain text. Try P1 equals 0, 1, 0 and get C1 is equal to 0, 0. Try P2 is equal to 0, 1, 1 and get C2 is equals to 1, 1. Finding the cipher key. From the plain text cipher text pairs and the known figure which inputs after XOR ring with the key produce desired output. Then for each of these determine what the key would have to be for that plain text. C1 is equal to 0, 0 and P1 is equal to 0, 1, 0. C2 is equal to 1, 1 and P2 is equal to 0, 1, 1. So C1 gives X1 is equal to 0, 0, 1 or X1 is equal to 1, 1, 1. So K equal to 0, 1, 1 or 1, 0, 1. C2 is equal to 1, 1 gives X2 is equal to 0, 0, 0 or X2 is equal to 1, 1, 0. So K is equal to 0, 1, 1 or 1, 0, 1. Test agrees. Know that K is equal to XX1. From the plain text cipher text pairs and the known deltas, from all the pairs get the most popular key or keys. Assume the actual key is one of these. If only one very popular, assume that is the key and try to confirm it on other plain text cipher text pairs. If multiple popular keys, look for the bits they have in common and assume that these are correct, then brute force the rest. Differential cryptanalysis summary. Compute probability of delta y by delta x for each S box. Compute probability of delta li, delta ri, delta li minus 1, delta r I minus 1 for a round. Compute probability delta c by delta p for whole or cipher. Pick the input deltas for which there are output deltas with high conditional probability. For a given input delta, generate many plain text pairs with that difference and get corresponding ciphertext. For each plaintext pair whose ciphertext pair produces the highest probability ciphertext difference, assume internal states are as computed. For a given good ciphertext pair, run the invertible computation backwards to get the outputs for the last S boxes yi and yi dash. For each of these output pairs, find the set of inputs that will produce that pair. Save each pair of possible inputs that can produce the known outputs. For each of these saved pairs, determine the subkey that will produce the assumed difference for each input pair. Take the most popular keys and determine bits where the keys agrees in all sets. Assume these bits are known, guess the rest. Thank you. This is all about differential cryptanalysis.